Hey, space enthusiasts! Today, I'm diving into the extraordinary world of Venus, often dubbed Earth's sister planet. But trust me, it's more like Earth's evil twin. Let's unravel why Venus is Earth's hellish counterpart. First up, the basics. Venus is the second planet from the Sun, about 108 million kilometers away. It's almost the same size as Earth, with a diameter of around 12,104 kilometers. But here's the kicker. A day on Venus is longer than a year. It takes 243 Earth days to rotate once, but only 225 Earth days to orbit the Sun. And get this, Venus rotates backwards so the Sun rises in the west and sets in the east. Wild, right? Now let's talk about Venus's atmosphere. It's a thick blanket of carbon dioxide, accounting for 96.5% of its composition. This creates a runaway greenhouse effect, trapping heat and making Venus the hottest planet in the solar system, with surface temperatures soaring to 465 degrees Celsius. That's hotter than Mercury, even though Venus is farther from the Sun. The atmospheric pressure is another beast entirely. It's about 92 times that of Earth's, equivalent to being 900 meters underwater. And those clouds you see? They're made of sulfuric acid. Talk about acid rain, except it evaporates before hitting the ground due to the intense heat. Venus's surface is just as dramatic. It's peppered with volcanoes, some possibly still active, and vast lava plains. There are also large impact craters and unique tessera terrain, ridges and valleys shaped by tectonic forces. The tallest mountain range, Maxwell Montes, towers about 11 kilometers high. What about the weather? Venus experiences extreme heat uniformly around the planet, thanks to its thick atmosphere and sluggish rotation. And those upper atmosphere winds, they whip around at 360 kilometers per h, creating a phenomenon called superrotation. Oh, and lightning. There's a lot of it, but it's still a bit of a mystery. Interestingly, Venus lacks a significant magnetic field. Its slow rotation and potentially solid core prevent the generation of a global magnetic field, leaving it vulnerable to the solar wind, which gradually strips away its atmosphere. Exploration-wise, Venus has quite a history. The Soviet Union's Venera missions in the 60s and 80s were the first to touch down, providing invaluable data. NASA's Magellan mapped its surface using radar in the 90s, and Japan's Akatsuki has been studying its atmosphere since 2015. Future missions like NASA's Veritas and Da Vinci Plus aim to uncover more secrets in the coming decades. Could Venus have ever supported life? Current conditions are brutal, but some scientists speculate that billions of years ago, Venus might have had liquid water and milder climates before the greenhouse effect took over. In summary, Venus may be Earth's twin in size, but it's an inhospitable world with extreme heat, crushing pressure, and toxic atmosphere. Studying Venus helps us understand not only our solar system, but also climate processes that could affect Earth. Thanks for joining me on this cosmic journey.